What's the meaning of brutishness? Brutishness. Brutishness.
Brutishness. Brutishness. Brutishness refers to a state or quality of being brutal, cruel, or savage. It is characterized by a lack of empathy, compassion, or consideration for others. Those who exhibit brutish behavior often engage in violent or aggressive actions without regard for the consequences or impact on others. This can result in harm to both the individual and society at large, as it perpetuates a culture of violence and disregard for human dignity. Therefore, preventing and addressing brutishness is important for promoting a more peaceful and harmonious society.